My name is Gary Kohli. I am an attorney from Ottawa, Ohio. I have practiced law in Ohio, or in Ottawa County, since 1971. My first job was with Lowell Peterson as an assistant prosecutor, and I was fortunate enough to be hired by two attorneys, Thomas Schuster and Gene Graves, in 1972, and went into private practice with them. My greatest achievement is marrying my wife and being delivered with two daughters, both of whom are very successful, and two granddaughters. My oldest granddaughter is 12, my youngest granddaughter is 9, my 12-year-old is taking golf lessons, and she already has a hole-in-one. I have been playing golf since I was 21, and I do not have a hole-in-one. And my youngest granddaughter, who is 9, constantly reminds me. The clerk's office in Ottawa County is a well-run machine that has been running for many, many years. And my job is to continue to keep that moving efficiently, smartly, and effectively. Now, for 40-some years, I have worked with this office as a practicing attorney. I have stood at the counter, delivered my pleadings, dealt with the staff, and moved on to my next project, my next file. In November of 2012, I was approached and asked to consider taking this job on, and after sitting down with my wife, we decided to do that. And I can assure you of this, that if this is the counter where I stood and delivered the papers, it is much different back here, handling those papers, dealing with the issues that come up that require the clerk's office to have accurate information, filings, and timely handling of the pleadings and those various things that come into play. I have worked with all of these offices in Ottawa County. I'm running unopposed. I obviously am very fortunate at that, and I want to yield most of my time so that the questions can be brought in from the crowd. But I do want to make this comment. Ottawa County has been very fortunate to have the leaders in the positions that they are. We've been very fortunate to have effective, efficient leaders in these various offices for many, many years. We are very fortunate that the incumbents have qualified contests for these various offices. I would encourage you, when you vote, to take some deliberate time to evaluate the quality of the services that you've received, the quality, the qualifications, and the capabilities of the officers who presently serve you. I would encourage you, when you make your vote, to make your vote based upon what is best for that office, which will make it best for Ottawa County, which will make it best for me, for you, your children, and our grandchildren. And it's not going to be in the tenor of the national politics. It's not going to be an easy season to render a vote. But I would encourage you to separate all of that and think very seriously about the qualifications of the candidates that we have, how long they have been there, how well they have done their job, how efficiently they have handled their responsibilities and duties. With that, I would encourage you to vote. I certainly do encourage you to vote for me, even though I don't have a challenger.